Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Notion. First, sign up for a free account on their website. Once logged in, you'll see your main workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the sidebar and main content area. Notion offers many pre-built templates, which are a fantastic way to jumpstart your projects. Choose one that fits your immediate needs and start exploring its structure. Notion is built on pages and blocks. To create a new page, simply click the plus icon in your sidebar. Inside a page, everything is a block. You can add text, headings, bullet points, and even images. Just type a / to see all available block types. Organizing your content is easy. Simply drag and drop blocks or pages to rearrange them exactly how you like. Databases are where Notion truly shines for organization. They allow you to structure information in powerful ways. You can create a database as a table, board, calendar, or gallery view. Each item in your database is its own page, and you can add various properties like tags, dates, or checkboxes to categorize and filter your data. This makes tracking projects or tasks incredibly efficient. To make Notion truly yours, customize it. Add icons and cover images to your pages for a personal touch. Linking pages together creates a powerful web of information, allowing you to jump between related content effortlessly. Don't forget to explore keyboard shortcuts. They can significantly speed up your workflow. With these tips, you'll be navigating and organizing your digital life with ease.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.